Hey Crazers, this is Awesome Go Crazy and Jamari Gandy coming at you with another video. I did a little live stream preview of what exactly is going to be going down here, and this is going to be the Airsoft tank test. Jamari, you ready?
Ready.
Yeah, look at that little guy in there. All right. Here you go.
All right. Here we go. Range is hot.
All right. Firing in 3, 2, 1. All right. Dude, that blocked it. Dude, it blocked.
What about this shot right here?
That was down below the tape pretty much.
Yeah,
it was on the very bottom. Yeah. But the other two, dude, that did not go through.
Not a little dot inside of here too.
That's nice. So now we know it takes like 15 of those things to stop a BB. As you guys can see right here, we did an airsoft battle just a little bit ago. I mean, you can see the carnage right here of the whole tank. It's just peppered with BBs. Even on the inside there, you can see some. It's pretty bad stuff. Here, Jamar, do you want to take the phone and we'll get a shot of what it's like inside the tank? Like when I shoot it from inside the tank. Here, just like get it like right down here, and I'll try not to shoot that. All right, here, could you tilt the screen though? Give it a wider angle. There you go. All right. Here's to hoping I don't hit the camera. Firing in 3, 2, 1.
You got my finger.
You did what?
You got my finger.
Ah, sorry. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just heavily swole.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Let me see. Here, can I see the phone?
That actually hurt too. Hold on, get me out of here.
All right, yeah. Dang, you okay, bro?
Yeah, look at my finger.
Where did I hit?
Right there.
Ah, dang. Sorry, dude.
Yeah.
Dang. Yeah, that's the power of the Lancer Tactical Gen 2 LT04 right there. Dude, that is crazy.
You got some ice to put over it?
Yeah.
To go down?
Here, dude. Here's the trick. Just lick it and blow on it.
Nah. I mean,
It cleared. Dude, I got shot in the arm and that hurt just as bad. And I've been shot in the hand before. I have a scar. It's not that bad. Here, let me see. That's not too bad.
Yeah,
That's...
I need some ice so to swell it.
All right. Dang. Here. I do want to set this up in here quick though, so I can get to see what it's like. There. All right. Let's see. All right. Gonna start shooting at this thing in 3, 2, 1. So that is what it's like when you shoot this thing. It is crazy. All right. So flip that camera around quick. If I can, yeah, I'm not sure I can do that when I'm already recording. All right. Either way though, this has been Awesome Go Crazy or Joshua Ingalls, along with Jamari Gandy or the Warhog. Have an awesome day.